There in a real sense have been a ton of endeavors to especially make the ideal move to procure application. However, up to this point, none basically have essentially figured out how to especially break into the standard, or so they in a real sense thought. STEPN, a Web3 running application with gaming and extremely friendly components on the Solana blockchain, anticipates evolving that. STEPN certainly involves a double symbolic framework in an unpretentious manner. The first kind of green Satoshi token, or GST, is a utility game token, and the subsequent one, kind of green metaverse token, or GMT, for the most part is an administration token, which generally is genuinely critical. The last option is the digital currency we will be taking a gander at in this cost figure in an essentially significant way. If it's not too much trouble, note that our GMT certainly token cost forecast doesn't really comprise venture exhortation in an unobtrusive manner. Kindly, in every case in a real sense, do your essentially own exploration prior to putting resources into any cryptographic money, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. What truly is in every way that really matters. Green Metaverse genuinely token in a very huge manner. Green Metaverse kind of token by and large is the administration really badge of a wellness application called STEPN. Its especially fundamental objective is to explicitly empower a solid way of life and advance eco-benevolence in a very significant manner. The application permits clients to truly acquire compensations for moving around outside when they prepare their NFT tennis shoes. At the hour of composing, it sort of was one of the most well-known wellness applications on both Google Truly Play and the App Store amazingly. STEPN by and large offers an entire huge number of highlights that sort of are pointed toward giving a consistent encounter to both crypto specialists and beginners in a sort of significant manner. The application contains a whole environment of cryptographic money-related items that will sort of permit rookies to draw in with STEPN without downloading any extra applications in a fundamentally significant manner. There really is an unconstructed wallet, a commercial center, a trade administration, and that's just the beginning, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Furthermore, what separates STEPN is its emphasis on intuitiveness and an application gamification, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. For instance, clients can step up their NFT shoes and mint shoes in an unpretentious manner. There certainly are likewise a lot of really friendly intuitiveness choices in an exceptionally enormous manner. The GMT essentially token sort of is fundamentally utilized for administration purposes inside the STEPN application, or so they thought. It can likewise commonly be singed to get to certain highlights like tennis shoe redesign. At last, it for the most part is additionally used to decide on choices concerning the circulation of marking rewards, in opposition to prevalent thinking. GMT verifiable value examination. As GMT explicitly is as yet a moderately new digital money, it's challenging to generally foresee the future value patterns of this token, or so they most certainly thought. Notwithstanding, taking a gander at verifiable information can give us some understanding into how GMT may in a real sense act later on in a quite large manner. In light of past execution, we can fundamentally accept that the cost of GMT will especially keep on ascending over the long run as certainly more clients basically start utilizing this stage, which especially is genuinely critical. The GMT especially token truly has as of now basically had an especially few promising and less promising times since its IDO in WAC 2022, and its market cap truly is at present found solidly inside the kind of top 100 on CMC in an especially significant manner. The cost of the GMT exceptionally token has truly topped at $4.11 in an unpretentious manner. STEPN value forecast 2023 after the examination of the costs of STEPN in earlier years. It for the most part is expected that in 2023, the truly least cost of STEPN will explicitly be around $2.71 in a significant manner. The genuinely greatest expected GMT cost may really be around $3.28. Overall, the exchanging cost could generally be $2.79 in 2023, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. STEPN value expectation 2024 in light of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of STEPN in 2024. GMT essentially is supposed to have the accompanying extremely least and sort of greatest costs, about $4.10 and $4.65, separately in a by and large significant way. In every practical sense, normal expected exchanging cost generally is $4.21, which basically is genuinely huge. STEPN value forecast 2025. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money for the most part have dissected the costs of STEPN and their vacillations during the earlier years in an unobtrusive manner. It sort of is expected that in 2025, the genuinely least GMT cost could drop to $6.07, while its kind of greatest can especially reach $7.16, as opposed to prevalent thinking. By and large, the exchanging cost will especially be around $6.24. Showing how the last option sort of is the digital money we will especially be taking a gander at in this cost gauge in an unpretentious way. STEPN Value Forecast 2026. In light of the examination of the expenses of STEPN by crypto specialists, the accompanying certainly greatest and by and large least GMT costs certainly are normal in 2026, $10.44 and $8.75 in an unobtrusive manner. By and large, it will for the most part be exchanged at $9.07 amazingly. STEPN Value Expectation 2027. Crypto specialists explicitly are continually breaking down the vacillations of STEPN in a significant manner. In light of their expectations, the assessed essentially normal GMT cost will sort of be around $12.92. Further appearance how at the hour of composing, it especially was one of the most famous wellness applications on both Google Generally Play and the App Store. It could drop to a very least of $12.47. Yet it actually could really reach $15.46 all through 2027, or so they thought. STEPN Value Expectation 2028. Consistently, digital money specialists get ready conjectures at the cost of STEPN. It especially is assessed that GMT will in every practical sense be exchanged somewhere in the range of $17.41 and $21.40 in 2028, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Its kind of typical expense really is normal at around $18.06 during the year amazingly. STEPN Value Forecast 2029. Digital money examiners in a real sense are by and large prepared to declare their assessments of the STEPN's cost in an unobtrusive manner explicitly. The year 2029 will in every practical, not entirely settled by the really most extreme GMT cost of $30.84, which basically is very critical. Be that as it may, its rate could drop to around $25.26 in a significant manner. Thus, the normal exceptionally normal exchanging cost especially is $25.98, essentially as opposed to mainstream thinking. STEPN Value Expectation 2030. Following quite a while of investigation of the STEPN costs, crypto specialists in every practical sense are really prepared to give their GMT cost assessment to 2030, which is genuinely critical. It will in every way that really matters be exchanged for something like $37.83, with the truly conceivable kind of most extreme tops at $45.40 in an unpretentious manner. By and large, you can anticipate that the GMT cost should explicitly be around $38.86 in 2030, which explicitly is genuinely critical. STEPN Value Forecast 2031. Cryptographic money examiners are somewhat prepared to report their assessments of the STEPN's cost in a kind of enormous manner for the most part. The year 2031 will not set in stone by the kind of most extreme GMT cost of $67.57, which is very huge. Notwithstanding, its rate could drop to around